trick or treat.
This is our first ever. I gotta tell you, you're lucky. Say trick or treat, you get candy.
Go get candy.
Look.
Go get candy. You just say trick
Oh
or
my God, I
treat.
can't stand it. Sorry.
That's okay. That's so
You're their first ever.
Put it in the bucket.
Thank you. Put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket.
You just take one, guys.
Just one. Just one. Okay, just.
All right.
Okay.
Come on. No, Jake, no. Come here. Come on, guys.
I'm so sorry.
Come on. Let's go to the next door. Come on, Jake.
That is too funny.
I am so sorry.
Come on, we're gonna go to another door.
You did it, you big girl, you! You did it! Thank you.
All right, let's go to the next door.
Oh my gosh.
We'll just leave that there for a minute.
You need your bucket.
Here we go. I'm recording.
Oh, lovely.
Let's go to this house.
Kelly, we just went and the kids just walked on into her house.
Oh, was that your
That was our first.
was that your friend?
No, we just.
Now we're going there. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Let's do it.
That's
All right.
what I'm saying. We gotta do it with
What are you, the loner?
Everybody's talking. Let's stop talking and start treating.
Where's your bag?
I think your son could walk.
Oh. Which way do we want to go?
Jake, let's go this way.
Which way do you? Let's.
No, Mike. Not open.
I'm gonna go that way because there's so many lights.
All right, let's go, Jake. Let's go. Oh.
Okay, we're going to it, baby. Get more candy. Cameron, this way, sweetie. Come on.
Hey, Dane, why don't you walk, buddy?
What do you say? They don't talk yet, but trick or treat. Just one.
No.
Say
more
trick
than
or
one.
treat.
Take more than one.
Trick
take
or
more.
treat. Put in your bucket.
Any more than one goes to daddy.
You did it. You did
All right, come on, Jake. Let's go to the next house. Come on, guys.
They're catching on real quick. Like, here we go. Get that.
Hey, this doesn't take rocket science for anybody. They really don't even know what they're eating, but
And Alexa's actually doing it. Like this.
go. Say trick or treat. Alexa, say please. Say please. Say please, Jake.
Yeah, I did.
Jake, say please.
Okay, just one day.
Say please.
Say thank you. All right, you did it. Mama's here. Lexi, Mama's here. Yeah. Go. Lex. Ding.
Come on, Jake. That's it.
Did you get it? Did you get it, honey? There you go. Thank God. Good job. You guys know how to do it. That's your son, honey. Ready? Let's go. Say thank you.
Come on.
Put it in your bag.
Here we go. You got it. Oh, and then we
Come on.
at the right time.
Let's go to the next door.
His lights are going.
Come on, Buzz. Come on, Tinkerbell.
Lex. You did it, you big girl.
More? Awesome. Let's go over.
There we go.
Let's go to the next one.
Come here.
Is this fun or what? You're like a oh, yeah. Their whole lives.
Here we go.
Wait.
No, Dane, you walk. Dane, you walk.
Another one.
Go.
You ready?
Go, Jake. Go.
You
Run.
don't want to go?
Run. Run.
Go with
Come
your
on, Jake, go
girlfriend.
get some candy, buddy.
Go. Put her down. Put her down, Alexa.
In the queen.
Yep.
Jake, not now.
Jake, go get more candy. Go.
Oh.
Oh, is this take one?
Good Jake.
We'll teach you how to take one.
All right, Jake, go get your candy, buddy. Here. Jake, you gotta go yourself.
Jake, go get a piece of candy.
Fabulous kitchen.
Want me to take you?
Look how pretty it is.
Oh.
Oh my God, look at these cool appliances.